How to watch Premier League live on laptop. For this, open a browser and search for Sky Sports. Tap on the first suggestion shown, that is the official web page of Sky Sports, so go ahead and do that. Now once you are here, tap on the drop-down menu of the sports option. Select the option of football and wait for it to load. Once you land in this page, you have to scroll down, and in your right hand side you will find fixtures and results. You have to tap on the match that you prefer to watch on live. Simply go ahead and select a match that you prefer. Then at the bottom you should find the option of Get Sky Sports. So you have to tap on this option right here. You will be opened in a new tab where you have to go ahead and log into your Sky Sport. You may also have to pay a certain amount to get your Sky Sports. So tap on this login option at the top. Right here, if you already have an account, go ahead and tap on sign in. If not, tap on sign up at the bottom. And just like that, you have got your hands on Sky Sports to watch your Premier League online and live. So make sure to go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for watching.